Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Egodoze and today we are going to be making magic. I did something different, something I usually don't do in my other videos. If you want to see what I'm talking about, then definitely stick around and keep watching. And if you're new on my channel, welcome. I am going to take 1 minute to wait for you to subscribe. So let's wait for everyone that hasn't subscribed. Thank you so much for hitting the subscribe button, because I know you did. Let's get right into this video, guys. So hey guys, I'm excited today because I'm going to be switching up my entire makeup routine. I usually start my makeup with my brows and then my eyes before I get to the face, but today I'm going to be doing my face first, then I'll get to my eyes later. I've never done this before, so I am really excited to see how it turns out. First thing I'm going to be doing is priming my face, so I always prime so that my makeup lasts a lot better. It's not about having oily skin actually, no matter. So now that I'm done with priming, I'll be going in with foundation. For foundation today, I'll be using the MAC Fix Fluid and I'm in the shade NW55. So now that that's blended in, I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee, and I'm using this to highlight. So I'll be setting the parts of my face that I concealed with my Black Opal Deluxe Setting Powder. So now that that's done, I'll be going into my Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm picking this color right here. So that's done and I like the way it looks. So I'll be going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Fun, and I'm just going to use it to portion out or map out my eyelids where my lid color is meant to be. So next I'll be going in with a flat brush and back into the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm picking this purple shade here. I hope I get what I have in mind with this. So I'm going to be placing it at outer and inner corners of my eye. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'll be going into this palette. It's a random palette I own, and I've had it for a really long time. I cannot find the name, and I'll be putting this gold shade in the middle. Now that that's done and I know I love what I have, I'll be drawing on a wing, a very tiny wing, nothing dramatic. Next up is lashes. I'll be putting on my lashes. This is a random lashes I own. So I put on my lashes and I'm going to be sweeping off the excess powder I have under my eyes. For powder, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder, and I'm in the shade 25 Mocha. I'll be going into my waterline with the Lina Signature Double Color Eyeliner, and this is a very black liner. And for my under eye also, I'll be going back into the Warm Beauty Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty, and I'll be taking this deep purple shade that I used in the outer and inner corners of my eyes, and I'll just sweep that under my lash line. To contour my face, I'll be using the Fair Up Makeup Face Definer. Just going to chisel out my cheekbones. I'm going for a really subtle contour today, so it's not going to be very my nose. For blush, I'll be going into this palette. I'll be using this pretty bright, very bright blush. And I'll be going in with some fixer, some makeup fixer. This is the Gorgeous Girl Professional Makeup HD Makeup Fixer. And I'm just going to take away the powdery effect from the look. My highlight, I'll be going into the same palette, and I'll be using the gold I used on my lid. My fingers. I like that. Hey guys, I'm back. I went ahead to put on my wig, and this is the finished look. This is what I was able to achieve, and I like the way everything turned out. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you did not, please subscribe so that you see what I get to do next. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look, and I'd love to read from you. Let me know what you think about the whole face before the eye makeup look. If it works for you, if it doesn't, I don't think it's something I would want to do repeatedly all the time, because I am used to doing my eye makeup before I get to my face, and it just seems a lot easier. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye.